Hey, what's going on? James Bill here. I'm coming to you from my home office this morning. It's a great day. Wishing you all a blessed Friday. Want to talk to you about working from home jobs. I know you looking, those of you that's looking for a way that you can work from home. This is the place for you. I really enjoy my online job. Uh, it gives me the opportunity to stay home. As you can see, I'm here in my home office, kind of just kicking back, guys. But one of the things I want to tell you about that seems to stop a lot of people from doing this is fear. And I just want you to note that you only fear the things that you deep down desire. Okay, fear is just an indicator. So don't let that get in your way and stop you from your going out and following your dreams and doing your work from home job. It's possible, guys. I do it every day and I love it. All I do is post content on here, simply post content. And what content is, excuse me, you simply want to educate someone, entertain, or empower them. And I do that through social media by posting ads, videos, and everything I learn, I just go back and post it. Like they say, everything that's been said, needed to be said, has been said, okay? But it needs to be said again. That's all Oprah Winfrey did. She just interviewed thousands and thousands of people. And for you know it, Oprah was, this big mogul celebrity. And all she did was interview people and say what they said and followed what they did, and she became this big star. But anyway, I wanted to share that with you guys, And the best salesman is simply the best teacher. Just take what you learn and put it back out there in the universe. And the simplest way to do that is to leverage in social media, guys. So I just wanted to share that with you. And if you're serious and interested in having your work from home job, I have a great opportunity for you today. It's a system, a program that I'm using, and they have great step-by-step training, guys. I started out in this business hoping to just make maybe $1,000 or so from home to help me out with my bills, a little extra cash in the pocket. And I end up making like $10,000 in a month instead of $1,000. So yes, it's real, guys. And I can get you that training and information if you're interested. Go ahead and click on I want you to subscribe to this channel because I'll be coming back to you with a lot of more tips and strategies and information for you. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Click on the link below, and I'll go ahead and forward you some information. Thanks, and God bless.